Real time video. How fast it takes. So this is the on TV mount. It's a flat mount. What most people don't realize is that it's really flat. So what you have to do is put spacers behind it so it can tilt the TV forward, so give you that angle. Because straight up flat ain't no way to go. That ain't good. Not a good look. You just put spacers on the top. And you use long screws. And then on the bottom, you just put 2 regular short screws on it. Just like that. Well, that's we're hoping it work out that way. But nobody wants a TV to sit straight up and down. Alright. So you screw the screw in. Find out if you need a spacer. Yep. Put it on one. Find out what hole you want to use. Pick the most convenient one. Don't make it difficult. That's what people do to take too long. Don't make it difficult. First 2 to line up, use it. And the bottom ones, you're just using a little short screw, but you gotta use a washer, or else it'll fall through. Bingo, that'll work. Just like that. And then when you look at it, you'll see it's at an angle. You want it to be at an angle, so the top of the TV can stick out so it can tilt, so you can make it tilt. So anytime you got one, it's not tilt, make it tilt. Ain't no specific reason why I got the TV leaning this way. I don't care. Just want it up there, so I ain't gotta do nothing crazy. Two. Bang. These strings, that's what you use to release the bottom on the TV. From there, you just take a measurement. Keep asking, well, what's the reason of the tape measure? Well, tape measure, you measure from the top of the hole to the top of the TV. That'll tell you where to put your top screw at so that you can get the perfect height that you want on the TV. So, we at 24 inches. You give it a 1/4 inch, so 24 1/4. And then we want to give it just a small gap away from the ceiling as well. You should be able to see this now. Can you see me? Yeah. We'll get about an inch gap. 24 1/4. So we know. You just make a dot. You ain't gotta do nothing crazy. 24 1/4. Then you use whatever device you got to find your studs. Bingo. Here. Ooh, that's far. So that's really far. You just check it and make sure it makes sense. From there to there is 24 inches. Studs are 16 or 24 inches. So if that line up, you're good to go. You know it's 24 inches. The other thing is the bracket at the least stretches out to 24 inches. Those little cheap brackets, they don't. The only option you have to use is 16 inches. Clean up while you work, that way you ain't gotta worry about doing it. When you're done, I can just pack up and roll out. Now what I'll need is the stud screws and a mountain. I don't know where they at. Listen. Well, that happens too. They didn't give her any stud screws. So, the thing is I keep extra. Regular ones. 13mm ones. They work perfect. If you're thinking about doing TV mounting and you don't have an impact gun, you ain't gonna make it far. Get an impact gun. Alright, we're going back to the wall. Just line up your 2 dots. Missed it. It was over something. It's okay to make a small hole. Went right past it the first time. Just move over to the left a little bit. You'll find it.
you're on the Black Business Network?
Yes, sir.
You are?
Yes, sir.
My neighbor told me about you.
Oh, okay.
Yes, she lives up the street from me, and
Okay.
she lives up the street from me, and she said that that's how she found me.
Oh, okay.
She said you did a good job.
Your remote and the batteries are right in the bag right there.
All right, okay.
I try my best.
Do you do electrical work too?
So I'm not a licensed electrician for homes,
Oh, okay.
so I don't do electrical work.
Yeah.
I mean, I do like a ceiling fan or light fixture, but recessed wiring. I actually have a guy that I can get you his number.
Oh, okay. I'd like to get that before you go.
I'm ready for you.
All right, let me answer this phone right quick.
Oh, okay. So this is a 70-inch. Let's see if I can get it up there by myself. Actually, she has a sound bar here. I don't see an optical cable, but I do see the headphone jack type of cable. So I'll plug that in. Only problem is my arm's not long enough for 70-inch most of the time. Let's see if I can get it today. Yeah. Thank you. Yep. Just like that. It's a big TV. It's a big boy. Well, that's how I do it. I would have got it up there. Guy came down here and helped me just in time. 15 minutes. Just like that.